and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be drop testing this Motorola A855. This is with Verizon. It does have a bad board, it does not work. So we're going to go ahead and drop test it. I'm going to turn my airplane mode on so no one calls, interrupts my videos. Alrighty. So we'll go ahead and do the backdrop from waist height in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so as you can tell, this cover came off of the camera, which looks like it was glued on, but the glue came loose. And then there's this little piece that goes, I think, somewhere underneath there. But backdrop, a couple little marks up here on the plastic and down here. Nothing too bad. I'm pretty sure this phone's been taken apart. This one I picked up on the eBay lot. Let's go and do the corner drop in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty. As you can see, there's the damage. Maybe. There you go, right there. Screen isn't cracked. Slider still works. I think we're going to do another drop test kind of on that corner. And waist height in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, it definitely hit that corner right there. Still seems to work just fine. Doesn't click anymore like it was. Let's go ahead and do the face down in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, this piece keeps coming off. Ooh, it didn't break. I'm really happy about that one. Looks like it does have kind of a, as you can see, a raised ridge around the display, so that kind of helps. I just noticed, I think the camera cracked from that backdrop right there. Looky there. Huh. We're going to see how it likes this backdrop then. Alrighty, in 3, 2, oh, hold on. Right there's a crack. I didn't even see it. It really blends in when you look straight at it. Right there's a crack. Alrighty, let's go back drop in 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, I really think that landed on the screen. No, it doesn't. Maybe on the side right here. We're going to go ahead and redo that. Back from waist height in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Alrighty. Flipping it over. Put our little cover back on. Camera lens didn't crack anymore. Oh, the screen cracked. It might have been cracked from that one drop that failed, but slider still works. Let's go ahead and go into the corner drop. We're going to go on the opposite corner in 3, 2, 1. Alright, this piece came off again. I'm not going to put it back on. I'm just going to set it over here, guys. So I think it landed more on this corner. The hinge is kind of starting to separate from the slider. It's not as flat as it used to be. We're going to do another side drop with it open, or corner drop. I wonder if this corner was compromised because of the metal, because it looks like it's starting to crack from that corner I dropped it on. Alrighty, in 3, 2, 1. And yes, I'm wearing my work clothes. Well, my work shoes anyways. I went and changed the shorts because got off work and wanted to come make these videos before it got too dark. Alrighty. As you can see, the slider doesn't seem to work right. It doesn't pull out evenly anymore. It's very crooked. It does look like another crack is starting to form right there on the corner. Let's go and do the face drop from head height in 3, 2, 1. Perfect face drop. Oh yeah, she cracked a little bit. We're gonna go and do the throw drop while the phone is open. We're gonna slide hands real quick, pull this open. Let's go for it in 3, 2, 1. Might as well just pick it up instead of, like, cutting out videos. I don't do slow motion anymore. Oh, the poor droid. Looks like it came off the hinge on this bottom side. So I'll film other videos on these guys when I get back to the house too. So, ooh, look right there. Come on, there we go. Come on, camera. There we go. Look at that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.